morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well. It's a new day. It's been a busy morning. Just finished the cleaning. I just finished the cleaning, so I'm just about to get ready because we've got a appointment for the kitten. He's having his jabs and a health check today, so I'm just going to get ready quickly for this appointment and then be on our way. Hope you're all doing well, by the way. Hope you enjoyed my morning clean. That was my routine every morning after I've taken the kids to school. So I'm just cooling down my porridge. After I finish doing my cleaning, I just cool down my porridge and then get ready whilst the porridge is cooling down. So I'm just going to do just a little brush up here and there, not doing much, and then I'm on my way. Okay, so I've just finished getting ready, all done. My face is just sitting now. But guys, I am absolutely loving Estee Lauder. Like, I don't even know why I wasn't using her in the first place. I don't know why I wasn't using that brand in the first place. That brand, honestly, guys, look at my face. It's just literally switched up my my makeup game. It has really switched it up. And I have done a video on Instagram reviewing the product because I was lucky enough to work with them. So blessed, so happy to have worked with Estee Lauder, and they have sold me for life. Like, I am not going back to using any other brand. I'm not even going to name the brands that I use. If you know me long enough, you will follow me, watch my videos, you know what brands I love. I still love them, but Estee Lauder, it just does something different to my face. I can't even explain it. I had the makeup on, and the thing is, you can't miss a step. You need to have everything on to get the perfect, to have your makeup snatched, okay? Like, your canvas is so important. You have to have a clean, clear canvas. It's really important with makeup. It's not just about blopping it on. And obviously you're not going to get the same effects when you don't have the right skincare products underneath the makeup. So that's really important. So I use the which I love. Let me get them for you. My favorite of them all, everything they sent me, my favorite is this serum. Oh, guys, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, game changer. Right, when I use this underneath my moisturizer, listen, my face is glowing, it's smooth and clear all day, and I'm not even lying. I don't just use it at night, I use it during the day as well, in the mornings before I put my makeup on, and then I go in with moisturizer as well, which is the Estee Lauder Day Wear, this one. Oh, guys, only thing I don't like about it is that it's got a tint to it, so it makes me look pale before I apply my foundation. So I think this is, no offense, but I think it's more for fair skin tone, because I can see, like, if a white person was to wear this, it will look really flawless. It will really bring their shade through. It will give them that little tint and glow. But it was really, I looked really pale and like a ghost. So that's the only thing that I didn't like about it, the fact that it's tinted. But running with that, my favorite of all is their primer. This is the Futurist Aqua Brilliance primer. Guys, hands down, the best primer I have ever used in my whole entire life. I'm not even joking. I've used so many primers. This surpasses all. Estee Lauder, you have sold me for life. Guys, your makeup will last all day. And me, that I normally get like oily skin, yesterday I wore the makeup all day. I didn't have to touch up. I didn't have any oil patches. Nothing. My makeup looked fresh in the night, as if I had just done my makeup. Like, then the foundation, oh my god, the best foundation ever, medium to full coverage foundation. This is the Double Wear. I'm sure you guys have heard this, stay in place, and it does exactly what it says on the bottle. It does stay in place 24 hours, full day, morning to night. I had this on and I was good to go. Where's the concealer? Here it is. It's the Double Wear concealer, stay in place as well. Again, does what it says. Look at my under eyes, guys. Flawless, smooth. Oh, I just love it. So yeah, I just thought I'll just quickly show you the products that I used today, because guys, I want to share with you how to have that beat on point every day, and these are the products that you need for that clean beat. All right, enough ranting. I'm going to have my porridge now before it gets too cold, and then I'm going to head off to the vet. Okay, so we just got back from the vet and everything is good. His heart is fine. Everything was perfect. It's just that he was a little bit on the small side. So they've asked me to change his food that I'm giving to him. So we're going to change that, and hopefully, hold on guys, Judas crisp has fallen out of his hand, so he's crying. Yeah, so they've given me yeah, so they've asked me to change his food, so I've just got that. Very expensive, but anything to get him to put on weight. I thought he was a bit small anyway, so I'm glad that, you know, we got to the solution. Basically what happened was that hubby and I were buying the adult cat food instead of the kitten one. I don't know why, I just saw the box. It looked like it was a kitten on the front of the box, and we've been buying adult food for him, so that's why he hasn't been putting on weight. So yeah, I was a bit disappointed, a bit saddened, but at least I now know I've got him the right food now, so hopefully we're going to see him putting on weight. So yeah, I'm heading home now. Hello. Hello, my cutie pie. Hello. Hello.
Cheese sandwich.
You had a cheese sandwich? They did. You don't look properly, that's why. I keep telling you, when you go to school, you have to have a nice filling lunch. You have to have a nice filling lunch. Nice filling lunch. Stop having sandwiches for lunch at school, okay? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Right, tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow's Friday, so tomorrow it's gonna be nuggets anyway, and chips. So I know you're gonna have that. From next week, I want to make sure that you've had proper lunch, okay? No more sandwiches, okay? No more sandwiches for lunch. It's not gonna fill you up. You come home and you're hungry. Then you had a good day? Yep. Oh, school was so hectic today. Tonight, I think I might do some chicken. Oh, I'm thinking, should I do a roast or should I do chicken with rice and stew?